Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Find the total number and total mass of neutrons in 7 milligram of carbon 14. You can see a very short trick to solve this question. Okay, anyhow we can check. Here they have given carbon 14, right? Which means atomic mass is 14 and of course atomic number is what? 6. Correct? Now what is the number of neutrons in a single carbon atom? Number of neutrons in one carbon atom, one single carbon atom. What is that? It's very easy, right? Atomic mass minus atomic number. What is that? 14 minus 6, that is 8. Okay, so step number 1 we finish, right? Now what is step 2? Find the number of atoms from the given mass. See, mass is given, right? 7 milligram. Now how to do that? We know number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. And that is also equal to number of atoms by Avogadro number. These are the two equations for number of moles, right? First equation is what? First equation is number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. Second equation is number of moles is equal to number of atoms, or in case of molecule, number of molecules by Avogadro number, right? Now see, I am going to equate these two. Mass is given. What is that? 7 milligram. So 7 into 10 raised to minus 3. What is the molar mass? 14, right? Carbon 14, not carbon 12, okay? Carbon 14 is equal to number of atoms by Avogadro number, right? On calculation, what you will get? You can cut 14, 7, 2, right? Okay. So you will be getting like number of atoms is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 2. Correct? So what we will get? 3.011 into 10 raised to 20. So we got number of atoms. We got number of atoms. Also we get number of neutrons in one atom. What is that? 8. Now how to find total number of neutrons? Very easy. Number of atoms into, number of atoms means this number, into number of neutron in one atom. What is that? 8. On multiplying that, you will be getting total number of neutrons. So total number of neutrons is equal to 8 into 3.011 into 10 raised to 20. So it will be like 24.088 into 10 raised to 20. Okay, in scientific notation, if you want, the answer will be like what? 2.4088 into 10 raised to 21. Both are okay. This one is okay. This one is also okay. Now, what is the next task? We have to find total mass of the neutrons in 7 milligram of carbon 14, right? We already know number of neutrons. What is that? 2.4088 into 10 raised to 21. Now mass of one neutron, we know it. What is that? 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. It is given in the question. You know the mass of one neutron and you know the total number of neutrons. Then how to find total mass? Simple, right? Total mass of the neutrons is equal to total number of neutrons into mass of one neutron. Correct? Easy calculation, right? Easy, very easy calculation. What is the total number of neutrons? 2.4088 into 10 raised to 21 into mass of one neutron is what? 1.6 0.75 into 10 raised to minus 27. On calculating, you will get 4.034 into 10 raised to minus 6 kilogram. Hope all of you understand. Along with this question, there is a sub question, right? Will the answer change if the temperature and pressure are changed? No, the answer will not change if you change the temperature and pressure. Why? Because mass is independent of temperature and pressure. So there will be no change if you increase pressure and temperature.